Today I would like to show you my morning coffee routine. At first I get my almond milk or regular milk into my coffee cup, and now I'm actually going to whip it with the ZULAY+ Frother. Look how convenient it actually is, as well as how fast it actually is to create a delicious and beautiful foam. You can also use it to whip your matcha and all kind of herbs. Sometimes I actually heat up my milk, but I feel like it definitely creates a great balance between the coffee as well as the milk. It kind of becomes a perfect temperature for me. Absolutely love it. I've noticed that almond milk you froze just a little bit longer than you would regular milk. And yes, look at this beautiful foam. Now and again, yes, put it in my holder right here, and we are ready to brew. I am using Nespresso original pods, and this is how you turn it on and push it into your machine. What I really like, it automatically disposes of the old one. So yes, you put it on like this, close it. It's actually basically pokes it in, and then you secure it like this and press on a button on top. And yes, I feel like it definitely brews a nice amount of coffee, and it gets balanced by both of the temperatures. It takes a second for it to kind of heat up, and make sure you have water refill on the back. Water tank is actually removable, but as you can see, it actually happens quite fast once it heat up. And yes, this is how the morning actually starts, with a very nice, well-balanced fragrance. Absolutely love it. And I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate it as well. And look, it kind of sounds very professional without all the fuss of the espresso making. So yes, guys, it actually definitely very fragrance is amazing, and it takes about 30 seconds for the coffee to be fully brewed. And yes, this is the sound of the morning, and I already like how beautiful the texture actually looks in a cup, so that definitely makes a great difference. So make sure to check it out, and of course to get inspired, and just cannot wait to have the first sip of this deliciousness in the clouds. Wait till I actually show you exactly how it looks in the cup. And again, it's kind of the texture of the almond milk, and of course you can create some latte art on top with the cinnamon as well. Cannot wait to try it. And if it's actually too much of a coffee for you, you can actually share it as well in basically 2 cups. This is sometimes how we actually do it in our household. So definitely make sure to check it out and to get inspired. And yes, this fragrance is just so delicious. Cannot wait to try it. And the foam is on top and on the bottom, so it definitely creates a very nice experience. So yes, guys, look at this cup. Absolutely love it. Let's see. This is how every morning I should start for everyone.